Hey makers, welcome back to Hub360 Embedded Sphere, your favorite stop for building real-world IoT and embedded projects. In this tutorial, we are building an RFID Attendance System and Google Sheet integration. This system allows you to scan RFID cards and your attendance data, including ID, name, and check-in, check-out status. This gets logged directly into Google Sheets wirelessly and in real time. Components used: one ESP32 development board, one RFID reader, 3 RFID tags or cards, jumper wires, breadboard, and power supply. Now let's make the connections. We are connecting RFID to the ESP32. So first, we connect SDA on the RFID to pin 5 on ESP32. Next, we are connecting the RST pin on the RFID to pin 4 on the ESP32. Next, we are connecting the MOSI pin on the RFID to pin 23 on the ESP32. And next, we are connecting the MISO pin on the RFID, MISO pin, to pin 19 on the ESP32. So next, we are connecting the SCK pin on the RFID to pin 18 on the ESP32. So next, we are connecting the VCC pin on the RFID to the pin 3.3 voltage on ESP32. Next, we are connecting the GND pin to the GND on the ESP32. An important tip to take note of is always power the RFID reader with 3.3 voltage, not 5 voltage, to avoid damage. Now let's explain the code. First, we include the libraries. These libraries handle Wi-Fi connection, HTTP requests, and RFID communication. Next, the Wi-Fi setup. ESP32 connects to your Wi-Fi using SSID and password. Once connected, you can send data to Google Sheets. Important tip: ESP32 only needs internet access. Your PC or phone can be on any network when viewing the sheets. Next, the RFID initialization. It initializes the RFID reader module to detect RFID cards. Then next, the Google Script URL. This is your web app URL from Google App Script. ESP32 sends attendance data here. Then we have the loop logic. In the loop logic, it detects a new RFID card. If it's scanned, converts the UID into a readable string, uses get ID from UID and get name from UID to match each card to a student. Sends ID and name as JSON to Google Sheets. Google Sheets automatically handles check-in, check-out toggle. Adds a 5-second delay before the next scan. Then next, the post request to Google Sheets. This sends your data to Google Sheets via app script. Now, The Google Sheets app script setup. Open a Google Sheets, rename one tab as data. Go to extensions, then app script. Then type in your code. Save as RFID Attendance Script. Go to Deploy. Click New Deploy and New Deployment. Then Web App. Execute as me. Who has access? Anyone. Deploy and copy the web app URL. Paste the URL in your ESP32 code. Upload the ESP32 code via Arduino IDE. Open Serial Monitor. Scan your RFID card. Serial Monitor shows UID and name and status. Google Sheet updates with timestamp, ID, name, check-in and check-out. In this project, you've learned how to connect ESP32 with RFID reader, send attendance data to Google Sheets in real time, implement a check-in, check-out toggle system. All the components used in this tutorial are available on hub360.com.ng. Like this video if it helped, subscribe so you don't miss. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating. This is Hub360 Embedded Sphere, helping you bring your ideas to life.